Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm here to prepare a fried chicken thighs, and I'm preparing the crunchy type, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. I have my seasoning here, my salt, I have curry powder, I have paprika. Then with this I blended onions, garlic, ginger, yellow bell pepper, then our normal pepper. I blended them together. Then also our chicken. So with these ingredients, let's get into our cooking. Okay guys, so I've already put my chicken in a saucepan. So I'm coming to add my ingredients. After that, I'll put it on fire. Curry powder. Okay, so yeah, our chicken is on fire. So I'm just going to stir it a bit with the seasoning. And I'll cover it and allow it to steam. Okay. So let's go and check our chicken. Stir it a bit. So allow it to cook. Okay guys, so let's check our chicken again. I did not add any water. I look at our chicken stock. So from here to, I'm going to allow it to cook a bit. Okay guys, let's check our chicken for the last time. Here you can see that our chicken is okay, so it's ready to be fried. Okay guys, so my oil is already on fire, so I'm coming to add my chicken. Okay guys, so this is our chicken. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. Bye.